So good morning. Hello and welcome to day 2 of this international conference on AI with trust. In case you're just joining us for the first time this morning, I'm Melinda Crane, and on behalf of our hosts and co-organizers, the IEC and the Swiss Federal Department of Foreign Affairs, I am honored to accompany you today as moderator. We got off to a great start yesterday with several intensive sessions in which we heard opening remarks and keynotes underlining why it is so important that all of us gathered here, policy makers, standards development organizations, conformity assessors, and regulars, that we join forces to develop laws, standards, and processes that can truly ensure robust and reliable artificial intelligence. In our closing panel yesterday, leading stakeholders shared their perspectives on some of the challenges that we face, on what they themselves are doing, and on why they need each other, why they need to work together to get us toward trustworthy AI. And today we want to pick up where we left off and take a deeper dive, looking at concrete challenges, solutions, and cooperative initiatives across 3 different sectors, crucial sectors where artificial intelligence is already being applied. In healthcare, in sensor technology that can aid us in recognizing everything from defects in machinery to traffic dangers, as well as in robotics. AI offers enormous gains, as I think all of us are aware, and our panelists will elaborate on these in our use cases. Yet realizing those gains and ensuring uptake of the technology on the part of users and customers will require that AI-enhanced products and services are reliable, predictable, and verifiable. And our panels will therefore also explore risks and concerns ranging from unconscious bias to dual use applications and other challenges, including liability. A key theme in all use case sessions: how can we collaborate to maximize benefits and mitigate risks? And this afternoon, 2 leading experts will then tell us their main takeaways from our use case sessions and share their perspective on what these use cases tell us, how we can build on these insights going forward. Then finally, in our last session today, we're going to return to one of the main aims of this conference, which is to identify steps forward and talk about what kind of a platform or processes we can put in place to ensure that the discussion begun here carries on into the future. So that's what's coming up, and I look forward to a very fruitful exchange also with you, dear ladies and gentlemen, whether you're here in the room with us in person or whether you are with us online. We do welcome your questions, and I will bring them in at the end of our use case sessions. And if you're following us online, you can send us the questions via the chat function, and otherwise we will once again today take questions from the room via the microphones at your seats.